Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the Max class once again. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 14. The chapter name is Area. About area and perimeter, we have studied in our previous class, and this year we are going to study how to find out the area of composite figures. What do you mean by area? Area means the space enclosed by a closed figure. The space that is enclosed by a closed figure, that is called the area of any figure. In previous class or lower classes, you have studied the formula to find out areas. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And area of parallelogram, base into height. And area of triangle, half into base into height. And area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 a square. So these are the different formulas that you have studied in lower classes to find out the areas. Now we are going to study how to find out the area of composite figures. By using these formulas, how we find out the area of different figures. So by doing the examples from the exercise, we will see how to find out the area of the composite figures. Some formulas you want to keep in mind. Square is equal to area of the square, side square, rectangle, length into breadth, parallelogram, base into height, triangle, half into base into height, and equilateral triangle, root 3 upon 4 into a square. These are the formulas. Now we move to the exercise part of chapter 14. Let us see. Students, look at the first question. The question is, find the area of an equilateral triangle with side 8 cm. We have to find the area of this equilateral triangle with side is 8 cm. You know that the formula to find out the area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 upon 4 into a square. Here side is 8 cm and area root 3 upon 4 into a square. A means side 8 square. That is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 8 into 8. 4 and 8 we can cut 2. That means root 3 into 16. Root 3 value, you know that is 1.732 into 16. We multiply 1.732 into 16. 6 to 12. We got 27.712 centimeters square. So this is the area of that equilateral triangle. I think students you understood it. Question second. Find the area of a square if the measure of each diagonal is 12 centimeters. Area of the square, if side is given, the area of the square is side into side square. But here side is not given, its diagonal is given. When the diagonal of a square is given, to find out its area, we use the formula half into diagonal square. Half into diagonal square. So here, diagonal is 1 centimeter and area is half into diagonal square. That means it is 1 upon 2 into 12 square. 12 into 12. Here 2 and 12 we can cut 6. 6 to 72. 72 centimeters square is the area of that. Next question I will read. Question number 3. If the base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter and its perimeter is 35 centimeter, find the area of the triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is given. Students, you know that what is an isosceles triangle. If any two sides of a triangle are equal, that triangle is called isosceles triangle. So two sides are equal and the side which is not equal, that is given, and perimeter also given. That means the length of three sides given and one side given. The equal sides measurement is not given. Then how to find out the area of this isosceles triangle? In order to find out this area of isosceles triangle, the formula we use is 1 upon 4 into base root 4a square minus b square. Here a square minus b square means that is equal sides and an unequal side. A square means equal sides and b square means a base that is given unequal side. That formula we use and find out the area of an isosceles triangle. So let us see how to find out the area of isosceles triangle using the formula. Look here, perimeter is given, that is 35 centimeter, base is 12 centimeter. So we have to find out which are the equal sides. Equal side we assume it x. So we write it x plus 12 centimeter is equal to 35 centimeter. That means 2x is equal to 35 minus 12. That means 2x is equal to 23. Therefore, x is equal to 23 divided by 2, that is equal to 11.5 cm. So the equal side we have got, that is 11.5 cm. So now we apply this value in the formula, that is area is equal to 1 upon 4 into base. 1 upon 4 into base we have taken as 12 into root of 4 into 11.5 square minus 12 square. Here we can cut, then we get 3 root of 11.5 square. But we multiply 5, 11.5 to 11.5. And into 4, that also we can 132.25 into 4. That means 529 minus 12 square, 144. Minus 144. Is equal to 3 into root of 385. When we take the root of 385, we get 19.6. Then we multiply 19.6 into 3. Means 58.8 centimeter square is the area of this isosceles triangle. So students, here we have to find out the unequal side of an equilateral triangle, equal side of an equilateral triangle first, and then after finding out that, we apply that in the formula. The formula is 1 upon 4 into base into root 4a square minus b square. This is the formula, and in that formula we applied the value, and then finally we got the answer 58.8 centimeter square. The question number 4 is that if the area of the equilateral triangle is 25 or 3 square centimeter, then find its perimeter. In order to find out the area perimeter of an equilateral triangle, we need the side. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. We need to find out the side. How can we find out the side? Here the question it is given the area. From the area we can find out the side, and after finding out the side we will find out the perimeter. So let us see how to solve this question. The area of equilateral triangle is 25 root 3. Area is given. Area formula root 3 upon 4 a square. Root 3 upon 4 a square, that is the formula to find out the area of equilateral triangle. And here a square means it is side. So the missing value a we can find out from this formula. So we are going to find out that side of the square. Root 3 upon 4 a square is equal to, that is given, that area is given 25 root 3 square centimeter, in centimeter square, that is given. Therefore, we shift this value to another side. We want to find out a means side we want to find out. So we keep that a square in LHS only, and with remaining value we change to RHS. Therefore, a square is equal to 25 root 3 upon this root 3, here it will changes to division, and this 4 that goes to multiplication. Root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled. Then a square is equal to 25 into 4, that means 100. How we got that? We will write here 25 into 4. Therefore, a square is equal to 100. So, therefore, a is equal to root of 100, that is equal to 10 centimeters. So, now we got side is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter is equal to side plus side, or 3 into side, we can use that. Therefore, 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, so perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. So, students, I think that you understood this question. We will move to the next question. So, question number 5. The question I will read. Two triangles pieces ABC and BCD of paper are joined together from a big triangle ABD are shown in the adjoining figure. Find the area of the triangle ABD. Look at the figure here. Here on a paper, two triangles are joined together. Triangle ABC and BCD. These two triangles are joined together and form a big triangle ABD. You have to find out the area of this big triangle. In order to find out the area of the triangle, the formula is half into base into height. Look at the diagram here. What is the base here? Here we can take this as base, and this perpendicular distance that is given 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter is the perpendicular distance, and that means height, and base. These two triangles base we have to add it. From here to here it is 10 centimeter, from here to here it is 8 centimeter. Total 18 centimeter is the base, and height is 5.5 centimeter. Therefore, we can apply this one formula. Area is equal to half into base into height. That means the base 18 centimeter and height 5.5 centimeter. Therefore, area is equal to half into 18 into 5.5. Here we can cut, then we get 49.5 centimeter square is the area of a triangle ABD. So, triangle ABD area is equal to 49.5. Look at the next question, students. Question number 6. In the adjoining figure shows square MNOP and 4 semicircles. Find the total area of shaded parts. Look at the diagram here. This is a square, and here 4 semicircles you can see like this. You have to find out the area of the shaded portion. In order to find out the area of the shaded portion, we have to first of all find out the area of the square, and from this area of the square, we have to subtract the area of 2 semicircles. We have to find out the area of 2 semicircles, and we have to find out the area of these 2 remaining portion. And then how many portions are not shaded, that we add together and we totally we subtract from the area, total area of the square. In that way we find out the answer. So first of all, listen, area of the square is equal to side square, 63 into 63. 63 into 63, we multiply. 63 into 63, multiply, 2 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 6 3s are 18, 6 6 are 36, plus 1, 37. Then 9, 3969 centimeter square is the area of the square. So we got the area of this square, that is 3969. From this area we have to subtract the area of the shaded portion. So radius, you know that here one circle, semicircle is given, its diameter is 63 because each side of the square is 63, therefore this side also is 63, and half of that radius, that we have to that is the radius of this semicircle. Total 63 diameter, and if you take this semicircle, suppose if you take this semicircle, the total, this is diameter and half of which we have to find out, then we get the radius. So here 63 divided by 2 is equal to 31.5 centimeter. That is the radius of that semicircle, and the two semicircle is equal to one full circle. So if you take two semicircles, that is equal to one full circle. So area of circle formula is equal to pi r square. That means pi 22 by 7 into radius 31.5 into 31.5. Here we can cut 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 25, means 4.5. So we multiply it. 22 into 4.5. That means 99, 31.5 into 99. Three 3,118.5. This is the area of that one full circle. Now we have got the area of one full circle. Then we want to find out the area which is not covered. If you have taken this area, this two area, that means two semicircle area we have found out. Two semicircle means it is equal to one circle, full circle. That area 3,118.5 centimeters. And remaining the area which is not covered by this semicircle, means this area and this area we have to find out. So let's do it. Area not covered by semicircle. Two semicircles. For that, what we want to from this total area we have to subtract this area. Means from total area we subtract these two circles area, then this part we will get. That means it is 3969 minus 3,118.5. That we subtract here 3969 minus 3,118.5. Means 850.5 cm square, that is the area not covered by two semicircles. Like that, how many places are there? One, these two already we found out 850, and these two also repeat. That also same only. So area, total area that is not covered. Is equal to 850.5 into 2. Then we get 1701 that's centimeter square. That's area not covered by this 4 figures. So this we have to subtract from 3669 is equal to 3969 minus 1701. 3969 minus 1701. We subtract 8, 6, 2 and 2. Means 2268 centimeters square. That is the area of a shaded portion. So here, in order to find out that, first of all, we have found out the area of the square, and then we found out the area of this two semicircle, and after finding out the area of this two semicircle, we subtracted from the total area. Then we got the area which are not covered by that two semicircles. Like that, two portions are not covered, equal portions, so we multiplied by 2. Then we got, this is the total area that is not covered by the semicircle, and that area we subtract from total area of the square, and the remaining area will be the area of shaded portion. I think students, this you understood. So students, today we are going to wind up the class. Today we have solved the 6 questions. I think you understood this question. Once again, go through all these questions, and if any doubt you can ask in Google Meet class. Okay, thank you everybody. Have a nice day.